Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming by. Today is a fun day because I have my ginormous FabFitFun box. It's for spring 2019 and I'm so excited. I got it so early this season. FabFitFun, in case you don't know, is a lifestyle box that comes out seasonally, spring, summer, fall, and winter. It's $49.95. Unless you sign up annually, then you save $5. You pay all at once, but you save $5 per box, $20 over the cost of the year. And also, if you sign up for the year, you get one of the earlier shipments, which is why I suspect I got this so early because I've moved over to annual. And you get to select more customizations. And I also did some add-ons, so we'll see what's in here for add-ons. So I had my husband open it for me because it was such an unwieldy box. I don't think I got too many add-ons, so it just must be protected real well. Yep. So let's get in here and see what we've got. So we have the lovely FabFitFun Spring 2019 box. Oh, it's sealed this time. It's not usually sealed. We usually get a book in here that describes everything we're getting along with the prices. We have the FabFitFun Spring 2019. It's a pretty box. And our pamphlet with Venus Williams on the front that will tell us all of the information that we need to know about what's in the box. Okay, let's get in here and see what it is. The first thing that I received is, and I chose this, was the Me Your Mumu. And it is a, let's just get right in here. It is a robe. The book shows that instead of the muumuu, I could have chosen the Deluxe Demi Backpack or the Unplug Meditation Aroma Diffuser. I'm gonna get my glasses on. This looks really pretty, and it says that it's $84. And it just stepped out of the shower, planning a day lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. So let's see how pretty it is. It feels really soft. They said that it fit up to a size 16, so, oh yeah, it looks plenty big. It's very pretty. Oh yeah, I like that. It's a short sleeves. It's very pretty. I did not make a good shirt choice for this. Okay, I'm gonna take this off because it clashes so poorly with my shirt. But it's really soft and nice, and I will absolutely, in the spring and summer especially, I will love this. It's a pretty, pretty pink floral print. It's lovely. Okay, next we have, I chose the Key Australia sunglasses, and I chose the cat eye. It says that it is black hardware chic metal accents, and it is a $55 value. You could also have chosen a Key aviator glass, a picnic set, or a Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, which, if you watch my channel, you know I'm not having so much luck with vitamin C lately, so I took the skip on that. So I have these pretty Key Australia glasses. You know, I usually when I go to the store to buy glasses, I try on like 100 pair and I'm like, nope, these are too tight. Nope, these are too loose. Nope. So here's hoping that just a random pair through the mail. Let's see how they look. Oh, they feel really, I'm telling you, they feel really nice. I couldn't be any happier. Sorry for that huge ring light, but they are super cute. I love a cat eye. They feel really nice quality too. They say Key, that said Key, and this is the front of them. Very pretty. All right, let's see what we have next. Next, I have the Lito aromatic body lotion in mandarin orange and bergamot. It's big. It's 4 fluid ounces. And my choice was between the Lito aromatic lotion, a mystery item, which I was really, really tempted to get the mystery item because once you move to annual select, you basically select all of your options. But I really wanted this lotion. It sounded so good. It sounded like I just knew I would love the way it smells. And the other option was a Giadzi, which is a Giada de Laurentiis plated measuring spoon. And these were those 3 options. I chose the lotion, which was $19. Okay, let's see how it smells. It's nice and thick. Oh, it smells really nice. It's very, very citrusy, just like you would expect from something called mandarin orange and bergamot. It's really nice though. Very orangey, and it feels nice, but it's absorbing. that will definitely get some use. As we near the end of this winter, I am so dry. I really like the way, I mean, it smells almost like I just peeled an orange and I haven't washed my hands yet. Very nice. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, next I have the 2 Bandits necklace. I selected this. My other options were a Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, and the other option, oh, I did this. It's down there in my add-ons. The other option was the Sip by Swell. And the beauty of being an annual member is after you make your selection, if there are other options still left, you can add them on for $10. So I added the Sip by Swell bottle on for $10 because with summer coming, who doesn't need more thermal bottles to put stuff in? So this is the necklace. It's very pretty. It's in silver and it's just metallic. It's the silver metallic, and inside this looks kind of like druzy, if you know what druzy is, but then it has something laying over it. So it's just a solid piece. I hope you can get that. It's really pretty, but it's very pretty. I like bar necklaces. Oh, my hand smells so good. Okay, so that was very pretty. And that was $30. This is $30 in case I didn't tell you that. Okay, let's see what we've got next. I'll go with this. It is the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. I've been wanting to start the dry brushing before the shower, especially, like I said, this winter has been so dry. So I thought this was a nice way to try it. It's a brush. You can slip your little hand in and just dry brush your skin. It's a little rough on my tender skin, but I suspect that's why. And it has little nubs in it. Let's read about it and see what they say. It is the Daily Concepts Detox Brush. Your body needs TLC to exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with the brush's natural bristles and massaging nodules. $18. The other options for this were the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, which I didn't pick because I believe it had licorice root extract in it and I can't use that. Or the 11 by Venus Jump Rope. And I'm just going to let it go unsaid why I didn't make that choice. But that was those choices. So this will be neat. I will try this, especially on my legs. If you get a good exfoliation on your legs and then lotion up really well with that nice orange stuff. Perfect. All right, let's see what's next. What we're down to now are the items that everyone got in their box. And that is, and I am so excited about this. If you've seen my other videos, you know that the Way leave-in conditioner is a product I love. I spray it in the bottom of my hair so that this winter I'm having so much breakage. So I've started using the leave-in conditioner every day, and it seems like in my Birchbox or my Ipsy, I've been getting a lot of the little trial size ones, and I've just gone from one to the next to the next. And I said that when they were finally gone and I'm down to about that much in the bottom of one, I was gonna have to break down and buy a full size, and then ta-da! FabFitFun pulled it through for me, and I got this nice Way leave-in conditioner, and it is a $26 product, and it's a multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works to soften and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and heat protection, so that's great. Everyone also received the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, and it is an under eye gel. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It says that it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles. Well, I will for sure be giving this a try because I have serious under eye circles. Oh, I can't squeeze in. Oh, there. There you go. Let's see what this is like. Of course, it's going to smell like orange, I suspect. It comes out orange, but it blends in. Yeah, it didn't really get, oh, it's a little tacky. I suspect this is one of the products that the less you use, the better, because it feels a little tacky. And I find sometimes when I put things under my eyes that are tacky, they almost, by the time you add your concealer and everything else, they almost want to peel, but oh, this is drying down nicely. So we'll see how it does with concealer and things over it, but it feels very nice. Did I tell you that they say that is a $42 product? So last but not least in the box, we have the Monica Dar Champagne Charcoal Scrub. This is huge. I mean, this is a big jug of stuff. It is 18.34 fluid ounces, and it's a body scrub. Oh, that smell is fantastic. I can't really tell you what I think it is. I would say citrusy, but I know you would think I was smelling my hands, but I think this is kind of citrusy too. There's nothing in the ingredients that would tell me parfum, so there's nothing in the ingredients that give us a hint to what the smell is, but it does kind of smell, I guess, champagne-y, kind of that bubbly, effervescent-y smell. And it says it detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin with a gentle body scrub to buff away dead cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. Interesting. Very cool. And they say this is a $24 product, and you apply it onto the body. I suspect dry and then rinse. So this is great. This will last forever. Very neat. I love that it has a rose gold top too. It's going to look pretty sitting in the bathroom. So that's it for what was in the box. So we had the Manicadar body scrub. We also I also chose the dry brush, so my body's going to be full on scrubbed up. The Key sunglasses, the Dr. Brandt eye depuffing, the Way leave-in conditioner, the pretty pink soft robe, and the Lito very citrusy, lovely body lotion. Although I will tell you, it is not restrained in its smell. I don't know that I would choose to use that all over my body. I suspect people would smell me coming from miles away. Oh, and the necklace. Hope you can see that way back here. It's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, now my add-ons real quick. I'm just going to grab them all out of the box so we can whiz right through them. And as an additional selection, I got the Sip by Swell bottle, and this is a pretty turquoise, and I love it that it's blue, so if my husband wants to carry it, he won't feel, you know, sometimes I've had pink ones with like white hearts and stuff. And then I have I have needed a fan brush. I've started using highlighters, and I'm using a regular brush, and I see a lot of people have a lot of luck with that, but I feel like when I do it, that I just wish that I was just tapping and using a little less. Maybe because of my age, maybe just, but I figured this will help me use less. And I have the Moroccan Gold Series. I bought the salt-free shampoo, which is their shampoo, and their styling cream, because in our fall box, we got the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask, and I love it. I wish I would use it more often. You know how you are with masks. Well, maybe you're not. You know what? Maybe you're way better than I am. But I don't use them nearly as much as I wish that I would. So I thought maybe if I had the matching shampoo, I would use it even more. Ooh, oh, it's nice and thick. It just smells nice and clean, kind of like maybe shea butter, you know, how it has that clean smell. And I also got the Moroccan Gold Series Style Cream for all hair types, because, you know, I just want more softening, moisturizing things in my hair these days. And this says that it smooths, conditions, and seals in moisture. And the shampoo is Intense Care for Dry Damaged Hair, which I don't know how damaged my hair is, but it is breaking, so there's damage. So I figure between that and this locking in the moisture and the mask period, it's gonna work. Okay, and last but not least, I got the Acai body lotion from Sol de Janeiro. I love the smell of the Boom Boom cream. And then in my Boxycharm, I got the Coco Cabana that everybody got that smelled just like coconut in here, but when you put it on your body, it smelled like butter popcorn. This was in the add-ons, and I thought, oh, well, let's see what the acai smells like. So, oh, it's pink. Oh, it's just fresh and nice, and it's nice on, too. This might be my favorite of the three. It dries down to just a fruity smell. You know, probably acai. Probably whatever acai smells like is what this leans toward. It says this is a daily dose of powerful antioxidants for a Brazilian afterglow. So I think this might be my favorite. So that's my FabFitFun box for spring 2019. I love it. I love all the selections that I made, the little necklace and the robe, and I can't wait to try everything. What selections did you make? I can't wait to see. I love to see the selections, especially the ones that are different from mine, and have people touching and feeling them and letting me know about them. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I do more unboxings. I have an Ipsy Glam Plus coming soon. And I will see you guys soon. Thanks for coming by. Bye.